Hi, today I'm just going to be showing you about like a walking simulator or something on code.org. First, this is on a Sprite Lab. So this is where I put the link. It's pretty easy. Let's go. And then so I made a search engine. Then you just type in you. Because I didn't know if it's saved on the code.org stuff. So there. And there. So the link is here. Copy. And then we can paste. Oh, won't show paste. Okay, here we are. So let's get to it. I'm gonna show you a remix, which is for sure saved. Should be here somewhere. See. Okay, there. Press on this. There. Now, let's do it. So this is a Sprite Lab, and these are all the codes we're gonna be doing. So to test this, testing out, and it works flawlessly. Now the arrows might disappear while you're going into the tree, but that's okay. Some point it should be going, if you go back out, so after you go into the tree, like really into the tree, stuff must have changed. Okay, I changed the code, so yeah. And then you just go backwards. Boop. So instead, as you see, it's just gonna have a change size. So you're not actually moving, it's the tree that's moving. Duh. Anyways, if we changed it to 1000, I think it'd be easier. I think that's too big. Nope, too big. We're just gonna put it back to its original size, like 500. And now let's get to it. Now, this is where the link was. I already saved this project. YouTube project. And now let's get, so there's gonna be about 4 sprites and stuff. So we're gonna change the size after sometime, but first let's focus on getting the sprites. Okay. Let's put it a little more in the middle. And now for the final sprites, we'll make a up and down button sprite, which we don't change the size of, cause they're already defined. There's already a fine size. You can just do Command Z if you want. One sec, must have done it. Okay, fine, it is. I'm recording and I'm doing this, so it's pretty hard. So let's just drag and drop and stuff. Okay, there should be a part here. Okay, good. Now, I forgot to do this, but before this, we'll just do a set background color, drag it. And we want to change that to blue for like the sky is blue. And we're just gonna do a set size first. We're not gonna do a change size yet. Set size. We'll do first this to 500. Okay, and we'll align, okay, let's just align it like this. And then we're gonna make another one for the tree. Okay, there. Just one little tiny piece under the hand. So that's how it's supposed to look like now. If you don't know what happened, you gotta be using a computer or like an iMac, like just zoom out. So to see, as you see, this is an iMac. So let's go back in and we're supposed to go to the events and drag a when clicked, which is pressed basically. When up is click, and then we go back to action, and this is where the set comes in handy. No, change comes in handy. Should be size, and then it should be the tree. But yeah, let's do 10. 10 is fine. And then we'll just do that. It's easy, so it's so easy. This is why it's not something like it has to be on Google applications. Well, something like applications. I forgot what's the name. But it's something like Google application or something. Okay. Now it's down. Events, no, not that. Actions, okay. There we go. Set size to. Wait, no, not the hand. That would just be weird. And by 10 would be how much? Set size to minus. You got to put a minus. Forgot. Minus 10. JavaScript is very sensible. And you can just press run. And if that happens, like, there's still one problem. And if you guess what problem that is, it should be that it's on when. Let's change it to while. Now it should work flawlessly. It works even better than the starting. Then if you go back, oh man, that is tiny. Okay, let's check our work again. Reset, everything looks fine. Set size to minus 10. I never knew it could be that effective. To, let's just say 5 minus, should be better. Okay, let's just make it worse. Go back to 10 minus. Oh. There's supposed to be 10 minus. Okay, you can avoid this part. It should work for you. We'll try refreshing. Okay. If this doesn't work, I'm probably gonna come back with another video or something with. Okay, it isn't working. So for the past few days, there's been something wrong with studio.code.org, so that probably is why. Anyway, I hope you learned something from this video. Bye.